Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to A News. Today is our second edition, and here is the bulletin news we have for today. UTAG issue strike. We have some TANE and TESCON results, SRC elections, and a lot of uproars backing it with dismissals and disqualifications and road constructions. Forget, you won't want to miss it. Let's get into the news in details. As usual, don't forget your news mask. Now in our first news, the University Teachers Association Ghana UTAG has issued a strike. In a letter issued on 28th of July 2021, the UTAG executives informed their various members in all the various campuses to withdraw from any learning and teaching activities. 2 days later, on 30th, they also issued yet another communique asking them to not just withdraw from learning and teaching, but also any forms of examination whatsoever, whether it is marking or supervision, anything that has to do with learning should be seized until their plea has been heard by the government before any further action can be taken. Now this is going to mean that KNUST, as we're hoping to start examinations, end of semester examinations next week, might have to hold it on. To some extent, some students are happy, others are not really happy. I would like to advise the students body though, in as much as it stands, examinations may be cancelled. Please don't put your books aside. This is KNUST. They can end the strike on Friday. Monday you are going to write exams. So dear viewers, please take your books and learn it. Now moving on, KNUST and TESCON had their elections last week, and we'd like to update you with the various results from the elections. So here are the elected executives. You start with TESCON KNUST, that is the NPP association. The president is Collins Nana Beidu. The vice president is Ohima Ama Edumeita. The general secretary is Apia Justice Dati. We have the deputy general secretary to be Abigail Ankoma. The communication officer is Owusu Arnold Bempa. The women's commissioner is Saida Abubakari Moni. We have the treasurer to be Evelyn Ohini Edu. And we have the Nasara coordinator as Abdullah Fad. We also have the organizer as James Amaniampon. And last but not least, we have the financial secretary as Vivian Edubia. Now moving on to the TANE elections. Here are the results as well. The elected executives are as follows. The president is Theophilus Bechi. Vice President Aisha Ibrahim. Women's Commissioner Caroline Yeboah. Deputy Women's Commissioner Selma Yuda. General Secretary Emmanuel Bauer. Deputy General Secretary Peter A. Awan. Financial Secretary Anwel Sadat. Deputy Financial Secretary Emmanuel Kobena Ephraim. Organizer Richmond Nana Bewa. Deputy Organizer Desmond K. Diladem. PRO Freda Ohene Ado. And Deputy PRO Chrysanthus Sanya. Eddie. It's not easy to have such names in Ghana. If you have not eaten, things can get messy. But here is the TANE and TESCON result, and I must say this is one of the most quiet afterwards results I've heard about TANE and TESCON elections in KNUST. Yanti allegations Biana, this one did I must actually say kudos to the electoral commissioners of both parties, and I mean, it means there's still hope. There's still hope for the future. So congratulations to them and congratulations to all the executives that won. Now SRC elections and all its various brouhaha surrounding it. My dear, this is where you want to stay glued to this channel. So for the past week or this past days, a lot has been happening in the SRC. So let's just quickly let's get into it. First off, we have Master Michael Abua, one of the SRC aspirants who had actually gone to GH1. He ended up at GH1 and it was quite a marvelous step, and we wanted to know why he went there. And it was all about the CDA agreement, that is the collective bargaining agreement. And in this agreement, he talks about how SRC, that is the administration, would have a sit-down negotiations with the hostel managers of both on and off campuses to be able to have a legal framework with principles that is going to stipulate what sort of agreement or sort of regulations are going to guide hostel increment. He says in his agreement that in the contract that hostel increments should be not more than 10% every year, and this should be backed by justifications as to why the increment is coming. Now that is what he's proposing, the CDA agreement. Let's see how it will go forth, looking at what we have. Now we quickly switch to DSK camp, where DSK is also cutting sword on campus at the most busiest, relax, let me not say busiest. This is one of the dustiest roads in the whole of West Africa. When I say this, you know what I'm talking about. In fact, if you are going from Ayediase Engineering Gates to anywhere in KNUST, if you are white, you become brown. And you understand if you come to KNUST. Now he's cutting sword on this road and he's making the road look so appetizing for people to walk on. He has started it. Although it is not he that initiated the whole thing, because we've had a lot of other aspirants over the years come and do it. But so the question is he going to be one of them? Senior, Mr. What shall I say? Senior DSK, I beg that road, if they really concern me, please do that road give me. Now we quickly also move to one of the biggest rumors circulating around this SRC elections. Yes, say, yes, say, there will be one or two aspirants to be taking off the elections. You bet Chimoko, I will be home. Ubo Chimoko no dema. Said grind Tuesday. My God. Rumors say that one aspirant known as Oyemembodi, but there's one aspirant, a male aspirant, who might be taken out of the race due to issues concerning CWA. Others are also saying that it is not due to the CWA, it is because of the vetting issues, the vetting mortality that happened, the water combat that happened at the Great Hall. That is, the investigations have been done and then they are having the findings that in that case he should be taken out. But this aspirant actually plans on addressing the school on what is happening. Voting is actually stipulated on Thursday, ladies and gentlemen. Thursday, that is on the 5th of August 2021, is when KNUST SRC elections is going to be held. Now, as at now, less than a week, voting screen or members on who are supposed to be on the voting screen are not yet out, which makes these rumors that are going on spreading around very true. Because by now, dear, and can you say, oh, we are number one again? One of Ghana water companies in KNUST, headed by Mr. Frank Owusu, another aspirant who is so vigorous on a water policy, water making policy, is also saying he's balloting and he's number 3 on the balloting screen. That's the only news I've heard so far. So there has been a balloting, but the voting hasn't, the final list hasn't come yet. So we await the EC to bring us something good. EC, bring us something good. So these are the few gist we've had on the SRC elections. It promises to be one of the most thrilling elections we've had so far, because this year it's just everyone can actually get something. Wow. So let's stay glued to here, this channel. Charlie, we dey fire all the gist give you people. Charlie, make no go anywhere. Okay. So as at now, we have rent control ministers on Clean University campus. We have Ghana Water Company ministers on Clean University campus. We have roads and railway companies as well. Then we have nations address people. But who wins? Rent control, Ghana Water Company, railway and roads, nations address. Who wins? Stay tuned. Now, Trent. So now, yo, call me Casty also dancing. Why did I say? Me say Casty also dancing because now in Ghana, also 2, John 0, Nana -1. Also, our day. Now here's the story. A certain 9-year-old class 3 boy called also. Also, our day was coming, and this boy wrote a very nice letter to his mother to help him with some procurement for making a very nice Audi. So he sent the letter to his mother, and a friend of the mother saw the letter and then posted it on Twitter. Now, a woman actually saw the list and bought everything on the list, and this is what got the news trending actually. For the woman buying everything and then posting it on Twitter, so that was when I started coming on it. People started seeing a lot of things. I would day and then. Now, 1st John, Fiesta Condom. Water. To say, Adaya, they are going to give all the teachers in the school 1 condom each. She said, God. That's what Kubert to say it. God. Dynamic what? Jimmy. Second, this one's not John. Nana, because Nana is -1. MTN Ghana. Telecommunication designer. Anna. Sir. Telecommunications networker. Come on, when you baby, bring us something out. You're going to give cake for the boy. So you do what? You do the cake and write anything on it. And now you share the cake in a phone. Don't angry me. So a lot of other reasonable people actually started bringing a lot of good things. I would like to read some of them to you, not you per se, but you know, we had 40 Graphville giving a guy right to capture these tablets movements with pictures. Sakumako also started asking for details of the students, to the number of the students in the class, to give them drinks for the nice Audi. Kentucky Ghana decided to surprise the young king with some, you know, turkey, meat, tray of meat and other stuff. Todd said they wanted to supply him with some atomic watch. Ghana Jimin Humo. Then Blue Band Ghana decided to give them free chocolate chip cookies. And Ashesi University, my God, this boy is now an Ashesi potential student. We have been informed about this very detailed RD petition. We love it. When they are ready, we'll give him and his class a tour at Ashesi and do our best to convince Patrick Wanwan to meet with them. This boy can go to Ashesi. The future is bright. Ready. Oh, more to come. Tom Vita was also saying he was going to give them classes of Tom Vita. Fun Ice, where they supply him with ice cream. KFC. Charlie, KFC, oh, 9 years, many KFC. What could be that? Why you be that? You got your chicken belly, or you be that? KFC. What you see that? And there were performances as well. Kiddy Denzel went to perform. And Dope Nation, senior men, Dope Nation from GSTS, my school. I'm a proud Giant. GSTS Takrady also went to perform there to give the guy a nice Audi, and I mean that guy has been blessed. This Audi has been the nicest Audi in his life, I am sure. So this is the also story. So now call me Casti also, because Mrs. Media Audi, I'll be great in Ghana as well. Also, salute you. This is breaking news after bulletin news. So the SRCEC has finally published a set of aspirants eligible to appear on the voting screens for Thursday. And as rumored, the rumors were true. Jude Sabuthe, the nation's address man, has indeed been taken out of the race. As to why he was disqualified, stay tuned for more.